Hello world and welcome to my channel. So this video provides an introduction to CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet for complete beginners. So what will you learn? You'll learn how to style the content of your web page using CSS. What do you need to know to get the most out of the videos I have in this playlist? Well, you should be familiar with HTML, especially how to structure content with HTML. So what are the various concepts you would be expected to learn in this video and the videos that follows in the playlist? First, you know what CSS is. You'd also know how to write the syntax for CSS that's styling your web page. We'll talk about selectors and we'll look at how to select elements by their ID, select element by their class name. We'll also look at the famous box model and then how to set a padding and border for your web page. And then we'll dive into creating visually appealing backgrounds and how to use borders in your web page. Then we'll look at styling, how you style the text on your web page. Then we'll also talk about layout, how to divide the content of your web page into multiple columns, how to lay out your web page so it presents the information to the user in a very clear manner. I'm very much excited to take you through the various models. I hope you spend time with me and you would learn as much as possible. And what I would urge is to always drop your comment on suggestion on how I can improve my video. And also please subscribe to this channel if you found it valuable so that whenever I drop a video you'll be notified and will keep coding. See you in my next lesson. Stay tuned.